see what the wait time is for Tiana's Bayou adventure since it's already raining. Might as well get even more wet. And it's at night, so it might be intense. So
far it's been a really good day, minus the rain, but we love the rain, so we embrace it.
yeah, trying to embrace it. Don't let it ruin our trip. Oops. All right, babe, this way. Tiana's Bayou adventure right now.
I don't know about you, but this music always has me glowing like a firefly. Lucky for us, we have the Rhythm Royals with Gonna Take You There. Then again, I can't really see that playing on the world.
It's Tiana here. I want to show my appreciation to all of you in New Orleans.
My coworker was describing it's like these fingers and clay that it's kind of like it's like a game. I think
One's melting faster than hot.
Joking with mom.
Here we go. You're good.
for our party tonight. Lewis!
Calling our musicians! Man, it's hard to find a band in the Tiana was right. There are musicians out here and they are cooking.
They can play, no doubt. We'll ask them to join the band for sure.
Tiana, you were right. The Bayou's got just what we need.
They sure can't play, but we've got to keep searching high and low.
How low can I go?
Unusual places hide unusual habits.
That was awesome.
That was I can't tell if it's raining or...
Oh, it's raining.
Oh my god, this is amazing.
Remember, this party wouldn't be what it is without you. Bye.
Welcome back, y'all. Please remain seated until your pump docks and comes for the police stop. Then gather up your belongings and exit to your van.
Wow, babe, what did you think?
That was amazing. I didn't get to see what it was before from Tiana's Bayou, but either way, that was just an amazing ride.
Yeah.
And they did such a good job on it. Like, my mind is just not even here right now. So cool. Loved it. I think if you're gonna ride it, definitely go front row
Oh, yeah.
and make a splash.
Right.
So fun.
That was so much fun. I have rode Splash Mountain. You can watch that video on my channel as well. But this is my very first time on Tiana's Bayou Adventure, and I enjoyed it. I really do like what they did to the new ride. And there we are. Tap our band.
Oh, yeah, that is us. Because
Sorry.
I